Storm Watch number 535, effective until 1 o'clock a.m. Wednesday, or 2 o'clock a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Wednesday. This watch includes the following counties in Illinois: Boone, Bureau, Cook, DeKalb, DuPage, Ford, Grundy, Henry, Iroquois, Kane, Kankakee, Kendall, LaSalle, Blake, Lee, Livingston, Marshall, McHenry, McLean, Ogle, Stevenson, Will, Winnebago, and Woodford, and the following counties in Indiana: Benton, Jasper, Lake, Needham, Porter, and the following: Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, Illinois, Wilmette Harbor to Northerly Island, Illinois, Northerly Island to Calumet Harbor, Illinois, Calumet Harbor, Illinois to Gary, Indiana, Flint Harbor to Michigan City, and Lake Michigan from Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, Illinois, 5 nautical miles offshore to Mid-Lake, Lake Michigan from Wilmette Harbor, Illinois to Michigan City, and 5 nautical miles offshore to Mid-Lake, and nearshore waters from Wind Point to Winthrop Harbor, Illinois, and the following counties in Wisconsin: Greene, Kenosha, Rock, and Walworth. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
This is NOAA's Weather Radio, KZZ 57 in Rockford.